I'm Rachel Opyrchal, and my topic is Save It, We Can't Make It. Some quick facts to re-educate your brain, I guess. Earth is made out of 70% water, as you mostly all know, and 97% of that water is salt water. But only 3% of that water is useful. Actually, scratch that. It's only 1% because 2% of that is frozen in the polar ice caps. Which, what are we going to do? Go over there and melt them? Then that's just going to cause a whole other problems. And some of the water that we are using, it's not because we want to waste it. It's because we're made out of 70% water, and we have to keep that balance. Or, as I said before, that's a whole different story. I'm not going to get that detailed into it. Our problem. Today, some people do want to conserve water, but they don't know how many gallons they're using. Do you know if you're a family of 4, you're using 400 gallons of water a day, not week, a day. Wouldn't that be cool if we had something that told us how many gallons of water we were using a day? Okay. My solution. I think every house should have a water meter telling us how many gallons of water we're using a day. Let's use a simple math equation. N equaling the number of gallons of water per person. P equaling the people in a household. Then you just multiply that, and that number is how many gallons you should be using a day. And I think that the meter should, as I said before, telling you how many gallons of water you are using a day. And let's say you go over by 20 gallons. Well, you know how if you do something like illegal, you get pulled over and you have to pay a fine usually. That's not, and they're just telling you you're paying because they don't want you doing it again, right? So what about if you were paid for the water extra use? Then people would be more aware of how many gallons they're using. And this is a sample that I drew of what the water meter would look like. And these are my resources. Thank you.